So, iba na mo sa atong topic or magkanta balik. Okay. Since bago pa naabot silang Ashley and the twins, the topic aron is all about preposition, which is the unto, and to. So, nana sila differences ha. So, ang unto is towards to. Then, ang onto, moving a possession on top or surface. Then, ang into is from outside to inside. So, kinsa may makagive og example be? Kinsa may makagive og example? Okay.
I give money to my mother.
Okay, so another.
I give food onto her.
Okay, another.
The teachers.
Okay, Ashley. Give me another example. Anto sa
Anto.
ang sagay tong anto? Towards or to. Yeah. Okay, basin na may kuan sa anto. Example. Yeah.
I put the ball pen onto the table.
Okay. Next. Another example. Ang sagay tong anto? Moving a possession on top or on surface. So,
I put my phone on my above the.
asa mang onto ana?
I put my phone into my bed.
Onto man.
Onto my bed. Onto the top of my bed.
Nanagay onto na nabagitap.
Ay, ano na lang. I put my cell phone onto
Onto the okay. Okay. Arita sa
from this
into.
to this.
Ari sa into. From outside to inside. Unsa may?
I shoot the ball to the basket. The cat ran into the basket. I put my shoot the ball into the.
From outside man.
Lettering. Inside, I put my marker inside my pencil case.
Into.
Into my pencil case.
Okay. Another example.
Into the ring.
Into the
I
ring.
put my cell phone into the phone case. I put water into the water bottle.
Dara into. From outside. From outside to inside.
From outside.
So na masabtan ra.
Yeah.
Masabtan ra unsay kalahian nilang tolo.
Yeah.
Sure?